so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. Let's let tomorrow wait. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far. You're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but until you see my soul and couldn't see why. Hold my hand high, cause you see and now I'm better, I'm better. No longer what I used to be better.
Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Let me know your thoughts if this eyeshadow is giving all the goodies it's supposed to give. Let me know what you guys think. And also, I've been really loving wearing my hair back lately. I don't know, there's this classy vibe it gives. Let me know what you guys think. Do we like my natural hair out and me rocking it, playing around with it, or not? Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss any upload of mine. Bye guys.